Hi everyone, good afternoon, and thank you for being here to listen to my hopefully not too boring presentation, and hopefully I will tell you new things, things that you probably already know, most surely, but we want this to be a kind reminder moving forward. For us, these are important things. I'm not sure if this font type is correct. Looks very strange. I hope it's not looking too weird. But we will move on. Well, first of all, I was having a look at the agenda a few days ago when I was making this presentation last minute, and I saw this question in the agenda that was asking DMS compliance, is your approach Euro NCAP ready? And I thought to myself, is this really the question that we need to ask ourselves that the OEMs need to ask themselves when they develop a product that consumers will use? I don't think so, honestly speaking, and I work for Euro NCAP, but I think maybe it's equally important to think if your product, if your approach is market ready, which is probably related but a different topic. This is what we have been exposed as automotive professionals in the past years. A lot of rant from the media against ADAS, which is a bit of a shame because we have worked so hard to make these systems offering value to consumers, offering safety. This is what advanced ADAS assistance, advanced driver assistance systems are about. It's about systems delivering safety when you need it. So these are some of the examples I could easily find in Google when you just make a quick search about ADAS without even specifying ADAS rage or ADAS a turn-off system, whatever, just ADAS, and this is showing up. So this is kind of the starting point for us, and we recognize at Euro NCAP that we can no longer look elsewhere to the other side, ignoring this problem, because it is a problem, and this should be at the top of our priorities in the next years. Understanding driver acceptance issues and think how can we incorporate into the assessment this very important factor. I showed this plot last year for a different topic, or related topic really, but I wanted to show it again because this represents the concept I want to explain today, and this is the balance between sensitivity and specificity. So at the yellow column, you see the kind of configurations, vehicle configurations that will be eligible to have a 5-star rating in the ADAS tests that we do. And for that, you of course need to have a minimum sensitivity in order to have the system sufficiently trigger happy to deliver the intervention or the warning whenever we require it in the criteria. But you don't want to go too far to the right, because otherwise you will be heavily compromising specificity. So there is a very difficult balance to achieve here. This is the hardest part, is to have the specificity right and pass our tests. It is not impossible. So we have seen some manufacturers that are doing a really good job here, and they are not even declaring performance for some of our tests because they know they will be doomed in real world if they do that. So this is about the balance that I wanted to explain. In short, you need to understand that the balance is about ensuring safety on one side, so having a minimum sensitivity, while keeping the false positive rate as low as possible, which is having the maximum specificity as possible.